So we got this situation to handle. We have to find out the limit of this question. So look at this, how it will go. So let's say that we have y equals limit n tends to infinity. First, look at this. I will try to understand the behavior of this thing because I know that the power is approaching 0. So the question will be of the form 0 to the power 0, or it is infinity to the power 0. Okay. So first we'll create the situation. Whether it is like approaching what. So if you'll observe, the numerator consumes 2n factorial. Okay. So what does that 2n factorial means? According to me, you have to write down product of first 2n natural number. Look at this, how it will go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 and then n. Next number would be n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, dot, 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 n plus n. So this thing will happen. Now be super slow and look at this, how I'll be manipulating the denominator. So this n factorial can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 n, and then you have to distribute your n to n elements. Okay, and this is your power 1 by n. So can I say that this n factorial and this n factorial will vanish? You will be left with this. So n tends to infinity, and you have, look at here, you have 1 plus 1 by n product with 1 plus 2 by n product with 1 plus 3 by n dot, 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 and then 1 plus n by n. Now this question reminds you of something. The power is 1 by n. Yes, we have solved the same question in the previous session, that is D4. Okay, so look at this, how it will go. So if you'll observe, if you'll substitute value of n, every second component will approach to 0. So you will be left with 1 1 1 1 1 on the base, and then power is 0. So it is something to the power 0. Okay, so what I will do, I will take log on both sides. So we will be left with log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity log of same thing 1 plus 1 by n, 1 plus 2 by n, and then 1 plus n by n. Now you know that if anything is written in the power of argument comes at coefficient. So we will ask that thing to come outside, like the coefficient. So limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, you have log a b c dot dot dot. So I can break down that question into addition form. So we can write this thing as log 1 plus 1 by n plus log 1 plus 1 by, this is 2 by n. Okay, it's not, I don't think it's d4, it would be d3. Okay, dot dot dot, we have log 1 plus n by n. Okay, now you can convert the question into summation form. So summation log 1 plus r by n, this is 1 by n, and then we have r starts from 1, ends at n. You know that you have taken r by n as, we will be taking r by n as x. So look at this, if r, like let's do the replacements. So you will be applying integration sign, because I want to replace the summation, then I have to write log 1 plus x, है ना. Now this 1 by x will become d of x dx, and if you'll replace x with, sorry, r with 1, x will become 1 by n, and n is approaching infinity, so that will become 0. So lower limit will become 0, and the upper limit will become, if you'll replace n, r with n, so it will become 1. Okay, so this is your integration. You know that integration of log x is x log x minus x. So here x is what? 1 plus x. X log x minus x, 1 plus x. So this will be the integration. Okay, now you can substitute the limit. If you substitute the upper limit, you will be left with 2 times log 2 minus 2. Okay, and then if you replace the, if you put the lower limit, it will become 1, it will become log 1, log 1 is 0, and minus of minus 1, so minus of minus 1 will become plus of 1. Okay, so you are left with 2 log 2 minus 1. So this is the required result for the given illustrations. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations.